Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're talking about pronouns at the B2 level. Pronouns are essential in English because they help us replace nouns, making sentences smoother and less repetitive. Mastering pronouns will help your English sound more natural and make your conversations more efficient. So let's jump right in. So, what exactly is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun to avoid repetition. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, them, and who. For example, instead of saying, Sarah went to Sarah's house, you can say, she went to her house. This helps make the sentence clearer and easier to follow. Let's look at a few different types of pronouns. Subject pronouns like I, you, he, she, we, and they are used as the subject of a sentence. For instance, they are coming to the party. Here, they is the subject of the sentence, replacing a specific noun like my friends. Then we have object pronouns like me, him, her, us, and them, which act as the object of a sentence like in, the teacher gave us homework. Here, us replaces the need to repeat a group of names. Pronouns are also helpful when talking about possession. These are called possessive pronouns, like my, your, his, her, our, and their. For example, this is my book, or is this your jacket? Possessive pronouns let us show ownership without repeating the noun each time. Another type of pronoun is the reflexive pronoun. These are words like myself, yourself, himself, and themselves, and we use them when the subject and the object are the same. For example, she made it herself emphasizes that she did it alone. Reflexive pronouns are great for showing independence or self-involvement. One more type that's super useful in conversation is the relative pronoun. Words like who, which, and that help us connect clauses in a sentence. For instance, the book that I read was fascinating. Here, that introduces more information about the book, adding detail without needing to start a new sentence. You'll encounter pronouns everywhere in everyday conversation. When you're telling a story or describing something, pronouns make it easy to keep your sentences short and clear. For example, instead of saying, John went to John's car and then John drove to John's house, you can simply say, he went to his car and then drove to his house. Notice how much simpler and smoother that sounds. If you enjoyed today's episode and want to keep learning, please don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show, and we'd love to hear how these episodes are helping you improve your English. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.